What's up, Jooba people? Today I'm going to show you how you can play The Father's House by Cory Asbury. Sometimes on this journey I get lost in my mistakes. It looks to me like weakness is a canvas for your grace. Lay your burdens down. You're in the Father's house. Chuck his shame out the door. It ain't worth it anymore. Cool guys, so this song is really fun to play. It's only got, it's got more than 4 chords. It's got a bunch of chords, but the main version of the main part of the song, the verse and the chorus and the intro, has just got an A minor 7th, a G, and an F, and a C. It's quite easy. And the main part of the song, the gist of the song, is just A minor, G, then F, C. That's what you play for the verse and the chorus. Okay, the intro is slightly different. We're going to go into it just now, and I'll give you guys a close-up of the chords. We're going to go into the strumming pattern. How do you get that nice feel that he does? It's like this Billie Jean strumming. But it's got the... Yeah, I'll explain it later. Okay, but let's start with the... I think let's jump right into the strumming. Okay, so if you... We're going to go in here a little bit. Okay, so the strumming pattern is quite simple. I'm just going to scroll. You guys can download this from the website. Okay, but the strumming pattern is right over here. Okay, so you guys will see that. Okay, so what does this mean? So that's the first beat that you're going to count, alright? And then you're going to go to the second beat. There, and then on the 2 end there's another accent. This sign means accent. Now this strumming pattern sounds like this. I'm just going to play a G chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can already hear this in the song. Sometimes on this journey I get lost in my mistakes. So the only thing you need to do to get this kind of strumming is just to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Or you can count it like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's do that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you'll notice there's a slight accent happening here on the 4th beat, but you don't have to worry about that. If you just get the 1, if you just get the 1 and the 2 end, then you're good to go. Okay, we can change the strumming and take it a little bit further here to add an up strum here on the last, just before the next downbeat. So that just sounds like this. We just put it on the G. It's going to be like da 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 da, chaka da 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 da, chaka da da da, chaka da da, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Let's keep going on here. Okay. So you'll see there, you can add some funkiness by doing this. Now this is quite hard, but for the moment if one play it will be fun. So you do down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So it's like slowly down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. can take it even further to this. Sorry about that. Let's zoom in here. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit tough, but it sounds like it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, cool. Okay, now let's quickly go over the specific song sections. Okay, so there you see the intro is A minor 7, or before we do that, let's quickly go through all the chords. Okay, so yeah, we've got the chords, very simple. A minor 7, so like that. So it's just like a normal A minor, but then you take off your ring finger and put your pinky on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Okay, and then to go to G, just leave your pinky here and just take the ring finger up there to G. That's how he plays it, how Cory Asbury plays it, and he's a really good guitar player. Really, really good actually. And then C/G, you just play C, but then you leave the 6th string open, so it sounds like this. And then F, you just have the same shape, put your pinky down, take the middle finger down. Now this is actually F major 7 if you have the bottom string open, but you can use it most of the times where there's an F. Okay, so that's an F. Okay, once you have those chords, we go down to the next page. These are some more chords that you need to know for the bridge. In a regular A minor, it's good to know. F/A, so what you're going to do here is just going to run up with the index finger from the 2nd string. Okay. And you can mute the top string here with your thumb. Okay, and then we go to C/4, it's just a C, but then you put your pinky down underneath the ring finger. Okay, then we go to C/G, it's like a C, but you take your ring finger up 1 string and you put your pinky down just below it. Sounds like that. Pretty nice chord, like a thick. And then C, you C/2, you just take off that finger. And then you can do another C/2 by just picking your pinky there. Now these chords are used in the bridge of the song. Now for the more advanced players, you have an F here, where you can put your bass note here with the thumb. So you just take that skin there of the thumb, just kind of pulls back that string a little bit, close to the fret. Give a nice bass chord, then you don't have to mute the top E string. It's very important to mute the top E string when you're playing F, or to play it with your thumb. A really nice F chord. Okay, so let's keep going. Now we know the chords. Now let's go to our sections. The intro is very easy to play. It's just A minor 7, like we learned. And then we go on that off beat, you go to the G. So you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that little dot there, that just means that chord is played on the off beat. So that's played on that accent that we learned a little while ago. Okay, so we got the aim 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let me just play that intro for you twice. 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna do down strums. Some up strums. Sometimes on this journey I get lost in my mistakes. So then the verse. Okay, now we done with the intro. I'm sure you guys got that. The verse, you can see it's exactly the same. Not exactly the same. It's the same kind of sequence, but it doesn't have the C/E. It's different than the intro, but so A minor, G, F, C. So it sounds like this. Sometimes on this journey. He does some palm muting here. you can just palm mute by karate chopping the guitar there on the bridge, and then you get that sound. Too much in and it's dead, too much out and it's just not palm muted. Okay, so you got A minor, sometimes on this journey, same type of G, just like that. Sometimes on this journey, I get lost in my mistakes. It's me like there's a canvas running straight. It just does that the whole time, just with some up strums, but you could just do down strums like down, 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 down. So every second chord just changes on the offbeat there. Chorus, exactly the same, but then you can open up your strumming, you don't need to palm mute anymore. So then you got this kind of thing going. Same story, I think you guys got that. A minor, G, F, C. Alright, okay, then we go to the interlude, which is exactly the same as the intro, so I'm not going to go over that. Now the second interlude over here, this is, let me just zoom in here for a second. So this is where it gets interesting. So I'm just going to play it for you first, and then I'll teach it to you slowly. So I'm going to count as I'm playing. 1, 2, 3, C sus2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, guys. C sus4, C, C sus2, C. So you still got those offbeat chord changes, but it's just C, start on C. Alright, I think you guys got that. It's pretty self-explanatory. If I just play it for you guys. Now, that interlude there just carries on in the bridge, the whole first part of the bridge. Let's play through it quickly. Prodigals come home, helpless find home. Love is on the move when the father's in the room. Alright, then we go to prison doors fling wide. The dead come to life. Love is on the move when the father's in the room. Now here it starts building up, and we go, miracles take place, the sick will find faith. Then we got this F/E. Love is breaking through. You can also play C/G like this and mute the 5th string, which I like better. Love is on the move when the father's in the room. And here it builds up, and there here you can start just doing downstrum, down, 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 forgetting about the accents kind of thing. So Jericho walls, you can kind of start doing this. Jericho walls are breaking, strongholds now are shaking. Love is breaking through when the father's in the room. Love is breaking through when the father's in the room. Oh yeah! Okay, cool. So there we go. There's the strumming again. You guys can download this. You guys can download the chords, everything. So I'm now going to give you just a couple of general tips with the song like this. It's very important to not over stress about the strumming. You just need to get that accent. So the first tip that I have for you is just get that accent going. So there's like bum, 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 two on the intro, 1, 2, 3, and then just be really loose about it. Don't rally too much when you strum up, when you strum down, but you just need to get that accent. That's the bottom line of this song. And adding your pinky there in the chorus and in the intro and the interludes really adds a very nice flavor. It's like this. The reason why is because it's a harmony of what he's singing. So he's singing, and you sing. So whenever you add a little note in your chord, that's part of the melody, what the guy's singing, or a harmony of the melody, it's really beautiful. It's just like, it's this little thing that kind of like a choir effect, and that's really a good thing. What other tips do I have about this song? I think strumming up and down, just adding those up strums, you know, now here and there. And if you're playing with a second guitar, you can play this in the key of G. You can do this with capo 6, and then you can play in the key of G. You can just transpose the chords. And if you need help with that, just let me know in the comments below. Cool guys, have a nice day and enjoy playing this amazing song. Peace out, Jooba people!